another week, another feeding mission na naman tayo with the Little Plate Project. Absent tayo last weekend kasi nag-break muna kami dahil nanood kami ng ASAP XP para makita ni ate siya ng live na live si Maki. And syempre, yun na nga, converted Maki fan na rin ako. So anyway, dyan tayo pupunta sa My Addition Hill sa Mandaluyong City. So good thing din talaga guys at nagkakaroon tayo ng mga connection sa mga local barangays natin. Yung mga nakikilala natin sa TV5 sa face to face, yung mga fini-feature natin doon. Kinakausap ko sila kung pwede mag-feeding sa lugar nila para meron tayong assistance. And ngayon nga, shoutout tayo dito sa mga barangay Mauway, Mandaluyong City sa May Addition Hill. Si Ate Glenda ang ating contact person dyan para mag-gather ng mga kids. At syempre, aside from ating pamerienda ngayon na sponsored by Myra Grace Campbell from New Mexico, ayan, second time donor na natin yan si Myra, is meron din tayo mga papamigay na mga repolyo, ang ating mga cabbage. Kung nakikita nyo aking mga stories sa Instagram, pakadami nating repolyo dyan na binibigay ni Ate Kim ng Fashion Depot. So, pamimigay na rin natin sa kanila ang mga repolyo kasi pangluto na yan, panggisa-gisa na yan. So, again, ayan, thank you so much Myra Grace!
Sun is shining, hear the laughter, tiny footsteps running faster, hands together, hearts so wide. Today we share, today we smile. From every street, from every place, different stories, same bright face. A little meal, a little care, love is something we all share. When we gather side by side, hope is served, no one denied. Little plates, big, big smiles. Love is passed from hand to hand. Every meal goes extra miles, feeding hearts across the land. Laughing loud, feeling whole, kindness fills our empty bowls. Little plates, big, big smiles. This is love, this is our goal. This is our goal. Rice and joy and happy cheers, warm embraces, no more fears. Sharing dreams with every bite, turning hunger into light. Simple things but big inside, a table where we all belong. When we give with open hearts, we're teaching love, we're making strong. Every child deserves to see a world that cares, a world that's free. Little plates, big, big smiles. Love is passed from hand to hand, and every meal goes extra miles, feeding hearts across the land. Laughing loud, feeling whole, kindness fills our empty bowls. Little plates, big, big smiles. This is love, this is our goal. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Sharing food is sharing sweet. One by one, we stand as one. When we give, we've already won. Hey!
Walang maximum
Little plates, big, big smiles. No one eats alone today. Smiling shine for a while, but love is here to stay. From our hands to every soul, we believe we care, we grow. Little plates, big, big smiles. Together love is always. Little plates, big, big smiles. That's how every change can start. At Little Plate Smiles.
So, sama-sama. Corn beef party pala sila for today's video.
Glenda. Kita Glenn.
Doon tama yan, Jen! Engine nga eh. Ayaw ko lang napag-yun. Ilang po? Dalawa. Oy, dalawa. Pagsikat mo ha. Ako pang-gisa. Ilan yung 17 yan? Lahat kayo mag-ututan dyan sa tent.
Ma'am, babaho.
At dahil namimigay tayo ng repolyo, yung tent puro utot yan mamaya, I guarantee you guys.
Ma'am, babaho. Salamat.
Sige po.
Thank you.
Kailangan yung iba magpapansit, yung iba magsusopas, yung iba magiginisa.
Naga.
Lagyan ng corn beef,
Share.
sarap kaya niyan.
Ang corn
Lagyan
beef.
ng corn beef. namin yun.
Madami kaming corn beef dito.
Ito, kunin mo na yung tatlo kasi may maliit.
Sasabawan namin ba?
Kasha baba. Ah, hindi, okay na yan. Go. O, ito ate, lagyan na yung maliit, tatlo kunin mo kung maliit.
Kailangan medium, eh.
Thank you po.
Ugas na lang kasi galing lupa.
Malaki yung pamilya.
Malaki po rin na namin.
Kahit yung malaki siguro rin pamilya ni Ren.
Wala mo, big lang kasi niya mo na nagod ako yung kano pala mo na. Hindi ka ng taok mo na yan.
Go.